We're going to make the best white cake that I've ever had. And it is an old recipe from my grandma. She used to make it, and it is just the best. Be sure to check the description under the video for the full recipe. I'm using cake flour here. I want to sift it. Cakes always come out better if you sift the flour. In my bowl here is a half a cup of shortening. We're going to add the sugar. And mix this up. And again, this is the best cake ever that's white. Okay, I got that mixed up fairly well. Now, here is a cup of buttermilk right here. Remove this cup of buttermilk. I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of salt to the cake mix over here. Put that in there. I'm going to add vanilla extract to the buttermilk and baking powder to the buttermilk. And mix this up. Again, all the directions and ingredients will be in the description, because if I don't tell you an amount, and plus there'll be hints and all kinds of things in there to help you out that I may forget to mention. I'm going to add half of the buttermilk. And mix. And you just mix that until it's pretty much mixed up. I'm going to add half the flour. You know, I'm just guessing at it. And mix this up. Okay, I've mixed that about 45 seconds really. And the rest of the buttermilk in there. Mix again for 30-40 seconds. I'm scraping down the sides just to help it mix up better. And I'm going to put the rest of the flour in there. Go. Mix it until it's mixed up. Probably 30-40 seconds. Okay, get that mixed up. I've got rid of the mixer and kind of stirred it up a bit. And I'm going to add egg whites. And I mixed up myself here. And we're going to mix these in. It's nice to be gentle, but you don't have to be super gentle or anything. I have my cake batter in a 9-inch cake pan. I did put paper on the bottom, wax paper on the bottom. This doesn't make a real big cake like a double layer cake, although you can put this in a 13 by 9. And I'm going to bake this in a 350-degree oven. It baked for 45 minutes. I guess it needed a couple more minutes because it's cooled down for about 17 minutes now, and it sunk a little bit. I'm not the perfect baker, that's for sure. I thought about scrapping this and not showing it to you, but I'm going to show it to you anyway. We're going to turn the cake upside down so it can cool completely. There. And remove the paper. Then in a few minutes I'll make some icing. Show you what kind of icing I make with this. Okay, let's make some frosting. This is a white frosting, and I'm using 1.5 sticks of butter, which is 3/4 cup, and 3/4 cup of shortening. And you can change it up any way you like. And I'm going to add a dash of salt. And you don't have to add salt if you don't want to. I like it in there. And a teaspoon vanilla. We're going to get this mixed up. You want it to be soft. So I can tell by the feel it's going to mix up fine. Now we want powdered sugar. Now you can add more powdered sugar than I'm going to. It makes it sweeter. I don't like a real sweet frosting. So I'm going to add 1.5 cups of the powdered sugar, confectioner's sugar. I'll probably add more. So I have that 1.5 cups pretty much mixed in there. I'm going to add another cup. So there's a 1/2 cup. Another 1/2 cup. And I'm not going to add any more than that. And mix this up, and then you have white frosting. It's a little off-white because of the butter, but it's still pretty white. And this really is a great cake. You'll love it. And thank you so much for watching.